Hi everyone! The book that I have chosen for my bilingual book review is this book here. It's called Gracias, Thanks by Pat Mora. This book was published in 2009 by Lee and Low Books, and the languages featured in this book are Spanish and English. I chose Spanish because it is one of the in the top 3 languages in Warren County. And then also where I'm from, it is the #1 language spoken in the schools here. I wanted to play a little bit of the book for you.
Lorito Books presents No permite que siga durmiendo por años y años y que me crezca una larga barba blanca. Gracias. For the sun that wakes me up so I don't sleep for years and years and grow a long white beard. Thanks. Por la mariquita que se posó en mi dedo, una pequeña sorpresa voladora roja. Gracias. Por mi amigo Billy, que me enseñó el libro sobre el niño gigante que pone a sus padres pequeñitos en la cima de un gran árbol cuando ellos...
So this book is geared toward students ages probably like 4 to 7, 4 to 8. So that would be grades like 1 to 3, or maybe kindergarten to 3rd grade. I like this book a lot because of the illustrations. I like how the pictures or the illustrations take up the entire page, and they're bright and colorful. This book is just really happy and lighthearted, and it's a reminder for students that we have many things in life to be thankful for. And just throughout the book, the whole book, it just goes through different scenarios of things in life that we can celebrate and be thankful for. So that is why I chose this book. Hopefully I will have this book in my classroom one day to share with my students. Thank you.